I am doing it from the Amalfi Coast here in Italy, and I brought 3 healthy snacks that are really easy to make, and I want to share how to do them. So stick around and see these beautiful recipes. Mashed bananas, whole grain oatmeal. So you mix it up, these 2 ingredients, and as you know, one of my favorites, the cinnamon, because it's the one that it will enhance the sweetness in the banana.
They're all.
That is the normal sound of Italy. I'm telling you guys, the conclusion is that they're trying to say hi to everybody. So, this is the base for the cookies. Okay? From here, you can add all of the ingredients that you want, depending on what's your favorite flavors. In this case, I'm gonna use these nuts and pieces of dark chocolate. And you just made cookies here. So the cookies, now we have to bake them. In this case, it took me about 20 minutes, but this is not my oven, so I really don't know how much time it takes. Each oven is different. You just try to time it between 12 to 20 minutes. In this case, you can see these beautiful cookies. Fast. And it's not crunchy cookies, it's more like smooth cookies because it's just oatmeal and banana. We're gonna let them cool a little bit. Because this is a really fresh food, I recommend you to not let them more than 2 or maximum 3 days, because bananas, they get a little bit like oxidized, so it turns like darker, the color. The taste is basically the same, but like the look, it gets darker. So I usually eat them like in 2 days, between today and tomorrow. But they're so good that I assure you that probably it will not last more than 2 days. In here, what I have is dates that they're already mashed. For countries that you can find fresh dates, like in this one in Italy, it was really easy. I just take off like I peel them and I take off the seed and I just mash them. If countries that you don't have fresh dates, you can buy dried dates and you just soak them for like 10 minutes in warm water, lukewarm water, and you do the same procedure. I'm gonna use shredded coconut as like the flour and pistachio. Okay, if you don't like pistachio, you can change it for any other kind of nuts that you like. It could be walnuts, it could be almonds, flour, for example, whatever you like. So basically what we're gonna do is put them together to make like a texture where you can make balls. I call it power balls because they have so much nutrients and so much energy in them. They're perfect. For example, when you're gonna do hiking or some kind of exercise like mountain biking or on a picnic, or I use them too like as a dessert, because they're really sweet. The dates make it really, really sweet. You can stick, like if you're a chocolate lover like me, you can stick even pieces of chocolate here. So we're gonna do that because it's really nice to be eating them and all of a sudden just have a piece of dark chocolate. See that it's getting more thicker? Put as much flour as you need. I'm gonna put just a little bit more. If you're in a country that you don't find this type of flours, you just put the nuts in in a food processor, and you just make the flour there. It has to be in a point that is not that moist. So we're gonna use ones that will look green and others that will look white. If you want, you can put, like for example, in there raisins, or you can put cranberries, or you can put goji berries. So we're gonna make balls, and you pass it through the coconut or the flour that you want, and you have the ball, the power ball. These are the power balls. You just need to fridge them just for some minutes, hopefully like 30 minutes, just to make them a little bit harder, and that's it. Last, I think my favorite is the chia pudding, because it's so easy to make it, and you just need obviously chia seeds, and you need a good quality milk. In this case, I found this that I have been drinking here in Italy, really good one. It's coconut and almond milk. When you buy a vegan milk, always try to search for the ingredients and see that it doesn't come with sugar, okay? And if you want to put a little bit of sweet in the chia pudding, put it with cinnamon, or as I do, that when the chia pudding is already done, I put just a little bit of honey on top. So basically, it's just put the milk, and you have to know that the chia seed, it grows 300%. Okay, so don't put a lot, because if not, it will make it really thick, and we don't need that. And the cinnamon. And what you need here is just to keep stirring until the chia start to getting bigger and grow. And because the chia, what it does is that it absorbs the water. That's why it gets so thick. Why you have to continue stirring, because if not, the chia comes together and they make like clumps. See the clumps in here, in the spoon? We don't want that in here. It's right in the spoon, but we don't like that in here. And try to not use a metal one, because it changes the flavor. Try to use one made of wood. And the chia, as I don't know if you know it, it's really high in omega-3, so it's anti-inflammatory food, really good for sports or for conditions like if you suffer from obesity or some kind of inflammatory disease. Now, chia pudding is ready. Look at the texture. Okay, see how much it grew. So, this is really easy. It's really easy, it's really healthy. And as you already saw, it's really fast to make, no processed food, all natural, and it's perfect for the whole family. So I hope you like it. And now I'm heading to the beach because it's 2 in the afternoon and I still have the whole afternoon there. So see you at the beach.
Have an amazing week. See you next Monday.